Can you play this shadow trick? Do you know how to form different shadow images with your hands? When we are in a dark room, lighting up a candle can help us see things more clearly. This is because the candle flame gives out light. When light enters our eyes, the light sensory cells on the retina are stimulated to produce signals to the brain. The signals are then interpreted by the brain to produce the sensation of vision. Not all objects can give out light on their own. We can classify objects as luminous or non-luminous, depending on whether or not they can give out light. Objects like the sun, a burning candle, and a lit light bulb can give out light on their own. These objects are called luminous objects. On the other hand, some objects like the moon, a book or our body cannot give out light on their own. These objects are called non-luminous objects. We can see them only when they reflect the light given out by other light sources into our eyes. Look at the picture above. Can you classify the labeled objects into luminous and non-luminous objects? Heater and television are luminous objects. The moon, cup, cat and mirror are non-luminous objects. Have you ever watched the show A Symphony of Lights held at the Victoria Harbour? Do you know how the light given out by the lamps reaches your eyes? Let us investigate this in the following experiment.
In this experiment, you will observe how light travels in air. On an index card, draw diagonal lines from corner to corner to make a cross. Then punch a small hole on its center. Repeat the step with the other two index cards. With the help of a meter rule, place 3 pieces of plasticine in a straight line, 10 cm apart, on the surface of the bench. Stand an index card on each piece of plasticine. Afterward, place a screen 20 cm from the last index card. Next, use a stand to fix a torch in front of card A. Adjust the height of the torch so that the torch is at the same height as the hole on card A. Your teacher will turn off the lights in the laboratory. Switch on the torch. Try to adjust the positions of the cards B and C one by one until you can see a spot of light on the screen. Place a beaker of starch solution between the cards and observe the path of the light beam. We can see that the path is a straight line. Thereafter, move one of the index cards sideways. You can no longer see the light spot on the screen. Do you know why? This is because light travels in a straight line, and the card moved sideways is blocking the light.
In experiment 14.1, when the holes on the index cards align in a straight line, the light from the torch passes through all the holes and reaches the screen. This shows that light travels in straight lines. When a beaker of starch solution is placed between the index cards, we can see the path of the light clearly. Do you know why? It is because the starch particles reflect the light given out by the hand torch to our eyes.